So in order to import out your calendars, you can go around over here on to the settings option, go right here on the settings menu, and then what you can do is you can go around and then click on import option right here. Once you do that, you can see that select file from your computer is an option. So you can click on this and then you will see your Explorer window. You can go around onto the folder of the calendar that you want to import, choose it out right here, and then click on open. Once you do that, you can see that the calendar file is an ICS format right here. You can also bring in CSV format, that is Microsoft Outlook format, as you can see right here. And once you're ready, you click on import. So once you do that, it says it has imported out events. And if I were to go back, then you'll be able to see all the events that it imported. Similarly, in order to add in, then you can simply go around onto settings, onto import, select the file that you want to import, select that out, click on import, and then it has imported out one event. You want to import more, you go around right here, click on import, and it has imported 4 events. You can go around, import out birthdays, and imported out as well. And all of the events, as you can see, has been imported out onto a particular calendar right here. And that is how you can import out calendars within Google Calendar. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe